Part 2. Basic Maintenance Procedures. First, check with the customer for all the detailed abnormalities of the failure during operation. Second, get details about the engineering configuration and installation status, including pipe length, height difference, quantity of indoor units and outdoor units, refrigerant charging amount, etc. 3. Inquiry of failure. There are two methods of failure inquiry. One is current failure inquiry, namely inquiry through light board of indoor unit, wired controller, and error code displayed on outdoor unit's LED. The other is failure log inquiry. In this case, the failure has been eliminated and inquiry will be done through debugging software or wired controller. 4. Malfunction elimination. After confirming the failure, please deal with the failure according to the troubleshooting of installation, debugging, and maintenance manual. 5. Confirmation with the user. After eliminating the failure, please explain the cause and operation precautions to the user and make the maintenance record.